friends! Welcome to Chikoo Land! Don't miss out on the fun. Please hit that subscribe button below. Hello, children! Today, let's learn the parts of a computer.
Yes!
This is the monitor. It shows us pictures and videos. This is the keyboard. We use it to type letters and numbers. This is the mouse. It helps us click and move things on the screen.
This is the CPU. It is the brain of the computer. These are speakers. They give us sound and music.
This is a printer. It gives us the paper copy of our work.
So, children, today we learned the computer parts. Can you name them all?